and today's video is really cool. I'm going to be reviewing some critters. And a magical doll mirror. The doctor will take more. And some Lego. Nice. It's really creative. And guess what? She made those swings. See, she's spinning. Oh. And a secret is hidden in this box. Secret. That's a pretty dolphin. And there's some girls. There's another one. There. You got her. Okay. So we're going to move all this stuff out of the way so we can open up the creative one. See this thumb? You just push and push. Mama, can you push this for me? And I'll hold the box for you. Push. My mom helps me. Now. Open. There's puffer wings. And more pieces. And more pieces. And here's some instructions. That's Snyder's head. Elves, by the way. And did you know that, Mama, sometimes they can just print things.
Really?
Yeah, like this. Mama, this is a print.
Oh.
This is a print. It's not a sticker. It's a print.
Oh.
I like the prints a lot more. And we came with a cookie. Pascal wouldn't smell that. I'll have to not let him see it. Pascal ate one of my hamburgers once. You guys think the bird and Nida's head look slightly the same? I don't think so. It's nice to have another bird. Come on. Oh. You can just whip it hard. Hey, she looks nice. She's
unique there in this one.
Look at her hair. Those are her elves. Oh, look. She's also got a bow handy. Jig. It's nice. I like her. I don't like her. Wow, now she looks like a real elf. Now there's our cute little girl. Spin. Sandal. But la la la. It's her feather wing. Now you can fly. Okay, so guys, look, these are floors, and there's something in the floor. Probably some kind of a hot spice or ginger.
Righto, there's your next two pieces.
I like purple.
Yeah, I don't think we've ever had a purple flower before, have we?
So, guys, we got up to this bit, and we have put the little bird there, and we're going good. We're going excellent. Look, measuring tape. Let's see. This goes here, and this goes here. Is that right?
Mhm.
Here is all this sink. I built this.
Here we go.
I
These
rebuilt
two bits.
it.
Wow.
Do you think that's her? So the bathroom where they wash their hands.
Don't know.
Now see it now. Yeah. Now it's over here. This little cookie. Hi guys. Here I am. Oh no! Let me wind you up. Ooh, thanks, Maya. Wow, you're cool. Thanks. Thanks for watching my video and have a good day. And please click on any of these 4 pictures to watch another fun video. Bye!